Hello friends, welcome to Tomato Blues Kitchen. Today we are going to be looking at how to make turnip kuruma. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to use turnips and make a delicious kuruma that pairs well with rice, poori and chapati. This also goes well with pulao. So to get started with the kuruma, let's first make the spice paste. For making this spice paste, I'm going to be using 5 cashews, 3 shallots which is being sliced thinly, and 2 to 3 green chilies which is being chopped. And then I'm using half a cup of freshly grated coconut. If you cannot find grated coconut, you can use 15 to 20 small bits of coconut which has been chopped like this. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fennel, 3 green cardamom pods and 1 clove to this. Next, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be adding cleaned and prepped mint and coriander leaves. I've finely chopped the leaves and set them ready. So I'm adding half a cup of finely chopped coriander leaves and quarter cup of finely chopped mint leaves. Do not add more mint than mentioned. If you add it, then there will be a bitter taste to your kuruma. So now this is what is going to give the vibrant green color to the kuruma. I'm going to be adding 3/4 cup of water to this, and we're going to grind this to a really fine paste. This is how it looks. Now let's heat a pressure pan and let's heat about 1.5 tablespoons virgin coconut oil. You can also use any neutral flavored vegetable oil. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. We're going to wait for the mustard seeds to pop merrily before we go on to add the other spices. So now the mustard seeds are popped. We'll be adding 1 bay leaf, and along with this I'll be adding 6 to 7 curry leaves. This gives a really nice flavor to your kuruma, so do not skip this step. Next, once this is all popped, we are going to be adding 1 cup of finely chopped red onions today. I used about 1.5 red onions for this quantity. Now we'll give this a good saute and wait for it to become soft and pink. At this point, I'm adding the salt to taste. We can always adjust the salt at the later part during the kuruma making. For now, this salt will do. Now, once this is all mixed up, we're going to add the ground paste for this kuruma. So once you add the ground paste, make sure you keep the flame to a low or a medium low, because the paste will stick to the bottom. When you add the paste, give this a good mix and do not leave this unattended. Like I said, it tends to stick to the bottom. So now we will be adding about 1 cup of water, 1 to 1.5 cups of water to adjust the consistency. Now give this a good mix, and then we are now going to add some nice golden yellow turmeric powder. I'm using 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder at this point. Let's now give this a good mix. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to simmer this paste till the raw smell of the paste goes away. This takes about 5 minutes on medium heat. You can see that the quantity has reduced and the fat has also begun to separate. At this point, I'm adding 1 turnip peeled and cubed, 1 carrot peeled and cubed, and about half a cup of green peas minus sprouted green peas. Now I'm adding 1 cup water to cook these veggies. Once you add the water, mix it well. Like I said, we are going to pressure cook these veggies along with the spice paste. We are not going to separately cook the veggies and add it to the kuruma. So this is done. Let's close this and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Now in case you're not able to find turnips, you can make the same recipe using chow chow, which is called as chayote squash in English, or sime badnekai in Kannada. Now once the 3 whistles are done, let's wait for the pressure to release on its own and then let it open. Now once it's open, this is how it looks. So we will mix this and then we will continue to simmer this for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, just to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. So this is how it looks. We're now going to garnish this turnip kuruma using 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. And that's it, friends. Delicious turnip kuruma is ready to be served with chapati, poori or pulao. Do try this and leave a feedback, friends. In case you try this, please share a picture with us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We'll be back with another recipe. Ta-ta.